Portmore, the biggest residential settlement in the Caribbean. Yeah, one of the largest.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
My people! Wagwan! Welcome to another video, yeah? And this truck here try drive out for me. Yeah. But welcome to another video, my people, yeah? Right now, we're currently on Marcus Garvey Drive. And we are making way in a Portmore we are go, yeah? We are going over in a Portmore, people. But we are going to take it from, we're going to take it round Mandela Highway, alright? Yeah, we're not take the toll. As close as over there to the toll, we're not take the toll. We're going to take it Mandela Highway, alright? Yeah, that's how we're going to go. Right now, people. Right now, we're going to take it away there. Good? Yeah. So, big up on yourself, my people. Thanks for joining me on another journey again. You understand? Yeah, as you hear in the intro, here's truly 876 by birth. And over here, so with the driving tours, we drive around the place. You understand? Yeah. Sometimes we come out of the car too and we video some places too and show it too. You understand? It's all about Jamaica. It's all about the Jamaican culture over here. So, and as usual, I feel big up my subscriber them. I feel as usual. I feel big them up. You get me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. The new one them. The old one them. You know, the viewers them when just come over, come click on it, and you know, people them when just click like as the video drop. The people them when always a comment. Yo, big up on yourself, now my people, man. Big up on yourself. Alright? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know the thing go cool? Yeah, man. So they are make way over in a sunshine city. Well, sun a shine today too. Sun out in its glory today. You see me? Probably it even hotter over in a sunshine city. But yeah, my people, what they are make way? Yeah, I'm going here. Right now, people, we're about to go get the car wash, yeah? Yeah, man. So we are going find a Portmore. Over the automated car wash over there, so. Yeah, over there we are going to go. Yeah, we are get the car wash over there. One of them, they over a Fesco gas station too. Yeah, one of them they over a Fesco gas station as well. I'm not sure how much you wash your car over there and things still. But I mean, in that, I don't think it's that exorbitant. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, man, my people, so. But they are make way. The first gas station where they on Mandela Highway, that one they may actually attack, you get me? Yeah. But the one that I go to be the total in a Portmore. Yeah, the total gas station in a Portmore, and that one they I go check out. Yeah, my people. Come bike, man. Push it up. Let me get for go over in my lane. Alright, so look like it newly paved because the people them did actually pave over the Portmore toll road, so them kinda, stretch it come. I don't know, so they're not gonna stop it dead boom as the toll end. They're gonna come down a little bit on Garvey Drive and thing. Yeah. So that really go on, alright? Yeah, man. That really go on. So we are making a way right now, people. And we're going to take the left turn up here, so. Yeah, and come out further up on Spanish Town Road, alright? Yeah, we now better go all the way at 3 mile right this, so. Yeah, we now better go up at 3 mile. We turn right this, so. Yeah, man. And do a thing. Alright, so I'm clean the gully over here, so. The gully cleaning project will go on. Okay. Yeah, my people. So, Portmore where I go. So, my people, what's popping? What's popping? What's popping? I hope all of one of them in a good spirit, I hope one of them in a good health. One have great strength, Yeah, I hope everything good for phone side. Yeah. And if not, I pray say it will be good short. Yeah, we don't have to endure a long suffering, alright? Yeah, man, people. Today I make a way I take a time. Going to Portmore City, yeah? Them say Portmore soon turn parish, So it'll be the 15th parish of Jamaica. But I mean, Portmore are the biggest residential settlement in the Caribbean. Yeah, one of the largest. So, and Portmore generate a whole heap of income within the city. Yeah. So I guess government see it fit to turn it in a parish. Alright, so around us now people you have a community called Seaview Garden. Yeah, man. My left hand side. You have a couple factory there down here so too as well. Yeah. It's a separate from my right hand side. So now we are about to go up on Spanish Town Road. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going up at the 6 mile area now. Yeah, people. also have the community of Riverton. So you know what have a dump, I have most of the rubbish from like Kingston, St. Andrew. Them place like a dump, you don't know part of St. Catherine as well to like Portmore, them place there, and I get Spanish Town. And they say them carry go dump it, you understand? Yeah, Riverton. So yeah. And it's also a community over there to people. People live over there and thing. Yeah. Yeah, people, so we approach 6 miles right now. Alright. We are go on Mandela Highway and then make our way over inner Portmore. Alright? Via the I-95 or Municipal Boulevard. So the Fesco gas station over here, so they also have an automated car wash. I've never been over there before. I don't really know how much for wash a car, like a regular car, a sedan for wash. I don't know, but yeah. I eat that over there, so. I out there, so them call it ferry. Yeah. Now we're going to take this left turn here, so now over in a Portmore city. Yeah, people, you know how to say you have like a window wiper You have little people that sell. All them little things they are going out as a callaloo, mango, fruits, water. Yeah. You get me? Yeah, man. So we have make our way around the people. Make our way around it. So now them have a little place them called Aki Village. Normally sell like ground provision, fruits, vegetables. You know, your breadfruit, all of them things there. Right just up on my left hand side, you see? Yeah. And something about it now, people, one good thing, it open 24 hours, you know, like anytime you can go over there, go get, you know, cause a couple of people them like them base over there. You get me? Now so them live over there, but the people there right through. You understand? So yeah. But a foreign price over there, people. Foreign price. Yeah, man, a foreign price over there. So you go over there, just prepare for pay for your thing. But, I mean, it's convenient still, you get me? Because anytime at all, you can go get a roast breadfruit. You see me? Yeah, if early morning, 5 o'clock, you wake up and you want a breadfruit, you can go get a roast breadfruit over there and all these things, you know? So yeah, man, convenient. So I guess that you just pay for still, that you pay for when you know, I do the do over there. So you see me? Yeah. Yeah, so this is I-95, my people. I-95. I think them also officially rename it Municipal Boulevard. Yeah. people. So we're making our way. And we're almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. Alright. Yeah, my people, I roll up at the car wash. And if you never know, say Jamaica have an automated car wash. Yeah, we do. And you can check it out. I have a video about it. One of my first set of video them. I have one on it. It's the same place here too. Yup. The same place to people. The same place. So yeah, you can feel free to check it out. Tall man, where you stay? Wanna wash this, you know? Me next, some can just go pay for it. Alright.